Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger low quality. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger low quality, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Messenger and you will enter. In this page here, then you will click for stop and you will click OK. After that, we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. As you see, then you can know how to fix Messenger low quality. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.